G'day guys, Greg here. Now you might remember a little while ago I made a video cooking up this delicate corn curry from Spice Tailor. It was phenomenal. I loved it. I liked it so much that I went out and I got another one. I bought 2 of these Spice Tailor Thai green curries. Unfortunately, I didn't even like this at all. It didn't have that nice depth of flavour. It wasn't that potent sort of green curry I liked. The flavour in it was really weak. But after I did this video, Spice Tailor sent me a whole box of some of their products, which was really nice of them. And well, today I thought I'd try the Spice Tailor Classic Butter Chicken. Now, it's always hard to find a really nice butter chicken from the packet, so I'm going to cook this one up and just see how good this one is. If it's anything like this, I'm in for a taste sensation. So let's look at how to cook this thing up. Okay, it's on the inside. Whoa, let's start reading. So this butter chicken, all you need to do is buy some chicken, or you can use seafood or vegetables, lamb or pork. And you'll need some olive oil. Now I've got some chicken here that I pre-cut, and this is what you get in the pack. You get all the spices and it's all labelled on there. Alright, so is this warmed up? Ah! Yeah, that's warmed up! So into there, I'll add a bit of olive oil or vegetable oil. And we need to get the spice mix. It's the first thing we add. So we'll throw that in. Now if you want it spicy, definitely add that chili in, or even some extra chilies if you want some extra spice. We'll just fry that for 20 seconds. It's not exactly sizzling now, is it? Probably should have had it on a higher heat. And now we just add the chicken or meat of your choice, or vegetables. I can't imagine having a butter chicken with vegetables. Sort of defeats the purpose. And we just need to brown this chicken lightly. You know what? I do have some other chilies. I might add some more in. Just a little bit more. Just to make it a little bit more spicy. Alright, well now that meat's browned, I need to add the base sauce. It's got base written on here. So, squeeze that in. And we just need to simmer that for a couple of minutes. And then after a couple of minutes, we grab the main sauce and we add that in. And we just need to cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes. And when the meat's cooked through, it's ready to serve up. I mean, how easy is that? It smells good too. Alright, well here it is. Mate, that took like less than 10 minutes. And I tell you what, it looks and smells really good. Now I've already pre-cooked some rice, so I'll whack some of that in a bowl. Top it off with some of this butter chicken. Pull out all the chilies if you don't want to be scoffing those down. I'll give one a try, see what it's like. Alrighty, well, I mean, how easy was it? It really was so easy. It smells good too. Alright, well, let's see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, I love butter chicken. You know what I should have done? Added some butter! Well, I do have some left over, so I'll add a little bit of butter to that while I'm reheating it later. But in the meantime, I got some butter. I better just add some on top, just as like a decoration. Yeah, okay. Let's try it now with some extra butter. Okay, yeah, come to daddy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. I tell you what, with that extra butter on there, mate, this tastes so nice. It's sort of got a little bit of a sweetness about it. It's got the tomato base I can taste. Now, it's not the strongest tasting butter chicken in the world, and with that amount of chili that I put in it, I can't even taste it. But it has got a nice flavour, and it's quite delicate, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. And it was so easy to make and prepare. Mate, this is probably the best packeted stuff that I've tried. So if you're into butter chicken, I definitely recommend you try the Spice Tailor's butter chicken. It's pretty nice. Just remember to add a little extra butter while you're cooking it. It'll make all the difference. Now, I don't get paid by these people. I'm just showing you what's out there and how easy it is to cook at home some delicious Indian food. I'll tell you what, this is pretty good. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time that I try a product and cook it up and see what it tastes like. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the